kita istirahat sejenak, ke toilet sejenak di minimarket sambil beli minuman ini coy. Seperti tertarik saya ngelihatnya coy. Merdeka nah penghisap, bubuhan ahli hisap. Nah, pada ngerokok dulu. Soalnya di sini suhunya 8 derajat sampai 9 derajat Celcius. Kita masih menunggu ada yang ke toilet sama belanja.
Bisa coba rasanya teh safran Turkish Delight selama informasi ya.
Kita sekarang di AFRA Nature House.
Yes, come inside, inside. Masya Allah. Glowing. Masya Allah. You are from Indonesia, right?
Yeah.
Huh? Indonesia?
Yeah.
My pacar from Indonesia.
Wah.
Her name she is my daughter. My pacar name Sohati Rosani Aritonang. Batak. From Maidan. Next month I will go to Bali. We will marry together.
Yeah.
Every day I'm mabruk. Every day she call me. She say aku cinta kamu.
Yeah.
Aku juga.
Yeah.
Okay, aku cinta kamu mama.
Yeah.
Okay, rapat. Closer. Oke, selamat pagi. Apa kabar?
Baik, alhamdulillah.
You are welcome in Bursa, and you are welcome in our shop, AFRA Nature House. Everything here in our house, it's organic and halal. Halal like halal.
Yeah.
This one here is Turkish delight. In our language, we call lokum. All made by honey, madu. What's mean madu, brother? So ne demek madu?
Madu.
Second wife, right?
Yeah.
No second wife. One heart, one wife.
Oh, yeah. I know.
Look, he said yes. Nakal. This one here is strawberry. We have the lima, Nutella. We have also here the lima with the chocolate and pistachio, caramel. We have Oreo. And here also we have ice cream, Turkish delight, and we have rose. Be closer to me, please. Rapat, and try. Coba.
Bapak Ibu boleh pilih rasanya, bisa dicampur-campur. Nanti bakal kita vakum, jadi aman buat dibawa ke Indonesia 2 bulan, 3 bulan, terus kita
Cordoba. Over there we have baklava. Baklava is another kind of Turkish sweet, very famous. We have pistachio baklava, canary baklava, Bursa baklava. After finish from explanation, you can try whatever you like. So, okay, bye-bye Ibu, you Cordoba. Okay, bye-bye Ibu.
Yeah.
Do you know what is this?
Emas banget.
Tata. Turkey very famous in pistachio and hazelnut. But for pistachio, we have many different kinds. Look at this. This pistachio with saffron. Say, oh. And this one here, pistachio with salt and lemon. You can see the difference between pistachio with saffron, pistachio with salt and lemon. You see? Do you know how to eat? It's very easy, right? You open like this. You say Bismillah.
Yeah.
Okay. The most important is Bismillah. Okay. And after that, one, two, and half. Nakka. Here also we have pistachio with madu. Over there we have kacang. We have also hazelnut. You know Nutella?
Yeah.
Chocolate Nutella. 70% of water producing of Nutella comes from Turkey. We can make chambur. You can keep it fresh 1 year in the vacuum bag, no problem. Halal. Try. Coba.
Sugar.
Sugar? Yes. Sugar daddy? Are you sugar daddy? No, sugar daddy haram. Okay? So, now we will make magic. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I don't hear. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Simsalabim. Abracadabra. Sohati. Close your eyes. Hirup. Sohati.
Mentol.
Yes, mentol.
Boleh ditutup matanya terus dihirup Bapak.
Come, smell. Come, smell. This one,
Not to drink.
You will go to paradise. To Jannah, okay?
Yeah.
Ya ini namanya kristal itu cara penggunaannya kayak gimana? Cuma masukin sedikit ke dalam air panas terus bisa langsung dihirup. Tapi jangan sampai diminum Bapak Ibu, ini buat dihirup aja. Jadi kalau misalnya punya sinus alergi itu bisa langsung.
What is this?
Kalau ini ada ini apa?
Huh?
Air mawar.
Rose water.
Air mawar. If you want to become like Jennifer Lopez in 2 weeks, listen to me.
Listen to me.
Kalau dijelasin rahasia kecantikan orang-orang Turki itu kayak gimana sih? Biasanya mereka pakai apa?
In south of Turkey, nakal. Okay. In south of Turkey, there is one kind of rose we call Damaska rose. At morning, afternoon, or evening, take sedikit like this. Glowing.
For men and women.
Yeah.
Wow.
You don't have. Can we drink?
Kira-kira air mawar ini bisa diminum atau enggak? Tidak. Bisa.
No.
Nah ini air mawar benar-benar organik, gak ada bahan kimia sama sekali, gak ada alkohol sama
Look.
sekali, jadi bisa diminum.
1, 2, 3.
Iya, jadi gak masalah buat diminum.
So, do you know what is this?
Kalau ini ada yang ini apa?
What is this?
Aromaterapi.
Ah.
Ini minyak mawarnya.
This one, rose oil. I will tell you about the mechanism how the Turkish ladies they do everything. Take a little bit from the rose oil, mix with the rose water, make chambur, and
Glowing.
look.
Oh, dari minyak mawarnya sama air mawar bisa dicampur terus bisa langsung diaplikasikan ke luka buat menghilangkan kerutan, menghilangkan kulit hitam. Jadi bisa pakai ini langsung buat wajah muda jadi.
Yang nenek-nenek jadi umur 17 lah.
How old am I?
Katanya umur abangnya berapa? Katanya ada yang bisa nebak kah?
40.
40?
Yes.
You are 40. 15? 25? Who said 20? 35?
60.
Oh, 30.
This combination we call anti-aging. Over there we have all kind of anti-aging. After finish from explanation, you can try whatever. So, what is this? Zaytun. Watini wa zaytun.
Waktu di sini nih hazal bayi.
خلقنا السلفي نحوي ثم رددناه ما شاء الله. If you read here, extra virgin olive oil, what does it?
Ya, kalau misalnya di botolnya ada tulisannya extra virgin olive oil, itu kira-kira maksudnya apa? Ada yang tahu kah kira-kira bedanya sama minyak zaitun yang seperti kita ngomongin di Indonesia? Kira-kira ada yang tahu? Murni, pure,
And
pure.
look, it's pure. It's come from the best quality of the olives. Cold press, zero acid, no acid. Okay, for stomach, no problem. You can drink at morning for cholesterol, triglyceride. Look, Bismillah.
Kenyang ya.
Do you know what is this? This juga apple.
Cuka apa?
Cuka apple. Mix cuka apple with olive oil and drink every day at morning. Very good for cholesterol.
Okay.
Triglyceride. Improve immune system for losing weight or constipation.
Ya, jadi kalau misalnya Turki itu terkenal sama zaitun mereka, dan di sini kita ada minyak zaitun extra virgin. Maksudnya apa? Dia diambil dari buah zaitun kualitas terbaik, terus kemudian dipres secara dingin. Nah, karena dipres secara dingin, manfaatnya kita bisa dapat 100% dan dia nggak ada tingkat keasaman sama sekali. Kalau misalnya diminum setiap paginya, cukup 1 sendok makan aja, nggak perlu sebanyak banget, tapi nggak apa-apa. 1 sendok makan aja, itu dia bagus buat kolesterol. Tapi kalau misalnya dicampur sama cuka apelnya, dia bagus buat kalau pengen ngelangsimin badan.
Do you know what is this? Madu. Like pistachio hazelnut, very famous in Turkey. Madu also very famous, especially in Bursa. Chestnut madu, white madu. Chestnut madu is not sweet. Normal madu is sweet like me. This one no, is not sweet. Turkish people they use for diabetes, type 1, type 2. For improving immune system, blood circulation. White madu is for joint problem, elbow, knee, L40.
Ya, nah terus kalau misalnya di sini kita juga ada berbagai macam madu, tapi di sini yang khas punya Bursa itu madu chestnutnya. Madu chestnut ini dia nggak semanis madu biasanya, jadi aman dikonsumsi buat yang punya diabetes. Nah dia juga bagus kalau misalnya buat meningkatkan imun. Kalau misalnya madu putihnya dia bagus buat tulang, buat sendi, buat gigi.
Do you know what is this?
Ya, ginseng.
There's a special madu for
Man.
Daddy. If you want to become strong like me, just take 1 spoon sebelum minute. After that, sayang.
Yeah.
How many children do you have?
10 menit.
4? If you take this one, you become 15. This inside madu. Look, madu, ginseng, ginger, iron, zinc, cloves, pepper, all herbals inside. But please, 1 spoon is enough. Because if you take 2 spoons, you become like Spider-Man. Okay? So, here also we have perfume.
Parfum.
This halal perfume, why halal? Because no alcohol.
Okay.
So if you put here over your skin, it will stay for 1 day, 2 days. We have Bakara, Siribubunga, Sultan, Harim Sultan, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, Armani. We have many perfumes, and we have the special one you find just in my shop, which is saffron perfume. Look, saffron perfume. Be closer to me, please.
Coba. Ini dalamnya bakarat. Coba. Coba lagi.
Mana weh?
Ya bakarat.
Harum.
Coba lagi mampu.
Nah kalau misalnya Bapak Ibu tertarik, nanti di sini kita ada 20 uang penjelasan boleh.
After finish your explanation, you can come and you can try whatever you like. Okay. 1 minute from your time. Last thing always is the most important thing. I want to explain to you about the most important item in all Turkey, which is saffron. How do you know saffron's original or not?
Ya, gimana caranya tahu kalau misalnya saffron itu asli sama palsu? Kira-kira ada yang tahu cara ngebedainnya? Rendamannya kuning. Wanginya. Yummy.
Okay, gold color. Fake one, which color?
Kalau yang palsu bakal kasih warna apa? Orange.
Special bonus for you.
Oh, yeah.
But I will show you the first quality, the second quality, how you can make difference between it. Give me your attention. For saffron, we have many sources. Best of the best come from Iran. Iran. This one we call super naked Iranian saffron. Super naked Iranian saffron, what does it mean? It means the saffron, it's come long, you see, it's come long and light. As you see, look, long and light. The second quality we call sargon. It's come short and heavy. You can see the difference between the first quality, the premium one, and the second quality. Yes, in the size, in the shape, in the color, smell, in the taste.
Ya, perbedaan kualitas pertama sama kualitas kedua mereka.
This the premium quality, the best quality. This the second quality. Behind me, the bourbon flower is the saffron flower. From each flower, we take just one, like this. One or two, like this, from each flower. So imagine this small amounts come from thousands and thousands and thousands of flowers.
Ya, jadi kalau misalnya untuk saffron ini dia ada dari berbagai macam negara, tapi kualitas terbaiknya itu asalnya dari Iran. Dari Iran pun ada beberapa kualitas. Kualitas pertamanya yang kita punya di sini namanya super tigir. Super tigir itu dia bentuknya panjang, kemudian lebih ringan. Tadi yang bisa udah dilihat ada kualitas keduanya namanya sargol. Kalau sargol itu dia lebih pendek dan lebih berat. Mungkin ada bapak ibu yang masih belum tahu sebenarnya saffron itu apa sih? Saffron itu diambil dari bunga saffron yang warna ungu di belakang ini. Jadi dari tiap-tiap bunganya dia cuma diambil satu helai atau dua helai aja.
So take just sedikit, look, sedikit, and put in hot water. Drink every day at morning. So much manfaat. Hypertension, diabetes, anemia, enhance metabolism in the liver, antioxidant, improve immune system, blood circulation, for memory and for gout.
Ya, kalau misalnya dia diminum setiap harinya, dia bagus buat sebagai antioksidan, buat penyakit jantung, buat penyakit diabetes tipe 1, tipe 2, buat kalau misalnya punya hipertensi, asam urat, peredaran darah, meningkatkan daya ingat, dan berbagai macam penyakit lainnya.
Now we will do saffron tea. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, yeah, open Instagram. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Original saffron, when you put in the water, it will give you gold color. Gold, yeah, like gold. Fake one, it will give you red color like a blood.
Ya, jadi kalau misalnya saffron yang asli ketika dimasukkan ke dalam air, airnya bakal berubah warnanya jadi kuning keemasan. Kalau misalnya mereka berubah airnya jadi warna merah, berarti mereka itu saffronnya palsu.
Do you remember this? Madu, chestnut madu. Turkish people, they use with saffron and they drink every day for hypertension, for diabetes, for anemia.
Dan kalau misalnya pengen manfaat yang lebih banyak lagi, boleh ditambah madu di dalam. Tapi jangan pakai gula, karena kalau misalnya pakai gula, mereka manfaatnya bakal hilang.
Saffron, there is no expire date. You can keep it fresh for a long time. 3 years, 4 years at room temperature, there is no problem.
Ya, dan kelebihan saffron itu dia nggak ada expirednya. Jadi dalam sebulan dia bisa tahan sampai 5, 7, 10 tahun itu nggak masalah.
So, we have like this bottles. This one is,
Ini yang ukuran 10 gram,
and this one is,
15 gram,
and this one is,
20 gram,
and we have also like this,
25 gram,
and we have also like this,
ukuran yang 50 gramnya,
and we have also like this,
kita 70 gram,
and we have the special one this.
75 gram, dan ini yang 100 gram.
We have special offer for all our groups, and because today is my birthday, happy birthday to me, okay?
Okay.
So I have special offer. Look to the offer. If you want to take 10 grams, 3 grams it will be bonus.
Kalau ambil 10 gram kita bakal kasih 3 gram bonusnya.
15 grams, 5 grams bonus.
Kalau ambil 15 gram kita bakal kasih 5 gram bonusnya.
20 grams, 7 grams bonus.
Kalau ambil 20 gram 7 gram bonus.
25 grams, 10 grams bonus.
Kalau ambil 25 gram dapat dikasih 10 gram bonusnya.
50 grams, 20 grams bonus.
Kalau ambil 50 gram 20 gram kita bakal kasih bonus.
75 grams, 30 grams bonus.
Kalau ambil 75 gram kita bakal kasih 30 gram bonus.
100 grams, 50 grams bonus.
Dan kalau ambil 100 gram, kita bakal kasih 50 gram bonus.
My friends, they can speak Indonesian. They can help you. You can pay by lira, euro, dollar, credit card, debit card, Indonesian rupiah. Enjoy your time. Enjoy your shopping. Try everything. Don't be shy. Okay? Enjoy your shopping. Terima kasih. Thank you.
Ini saffron itu kayak mirip-mirip teh gitu ya. Nah, ini ada yang ukuran besar, ada yang ukuran kecil. Yang besar tadi berapa, Mbak?
Yang ini sekitar 1.400 lira.
Ini 1.400 lira. Yang kecil?
Sekitar 1.000 lira.
1.000 lira.
Yang
Nah, isinya kayak gini ya.
yang kecil? Yang gede.
Mbaknya ini orang mana, Mbak? Hah? Oh, Depok. Nah, ini nah. Oke. Kita coba ini testernya. Ya, Om. Rasain, Om. Halal. Nah, gimana rasanya? Bolan ya, mirip-mirip bolan. Ini satu kotak ini di mix, harganya ini coy, 960.
Ini tahan lama yang basah nih.
Tahan lama 2 bulan.
Ini tahan sampai 2 bulan. Ini ada madunya ya, seperti bolan gitu ya coy. Ini kita beli saffron 20 gram, gratis 5 gram plus dikasih apa tadi namanya ini yang kayak mentol gitu coy. Sudah divakum, aman untuk perjalanan jauh. Kita belanjaan beginian coy. Habis kita belanja, kita makan siang di sini.